Wow, 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 wow. Paul Okoye. Hey, my people, I just bring this um our brother come when we know as P-Sqaure social media, that is Instagram, just the catch fire. Hmm. I say maybe my beautiful family they never know. Let me bring it out. Paul. Paul P-Sqaure. Oh, CC. Oh, hey. Not mind. Say a wife give am divorce letter, they divorce. Then now for Instagram, he bring a lady out. He don't bring a lady out. People they ask, is Paul Okoye showing off a new wife? I don't understand that statement. I don't understand social media. Maybe he wants gather he pieces. Maybe he wants start again all over. We don't know. Maybe the woman too, he wants start again. You understand? For me, any of us dey inside their house. Now only the woman know why the reason why she summon her husband court letter. Like me, I'm against it for you to divorce your husband, but I'm against it if your husband they abuse you, if your husband they get that rest of mind. Your husband house is in fact, I don't know how to put it, it's your house. If you know they okay and you are not happy in your husband house, where you for come happy after God don't call you home. Now that time you want to happy? No. you know Sometimes we women, men, maybe we are not sweet able to go. Maybe like this lady now, when she dey show now, maybe the lady will feel bear am, or maybe the lady fit enter at the end go see wetin Ikechi see when make Ikechi pack, or maybe she'll fit enter now, the guy go good for her to go. The reason why they put my mouth, because people for Instagram, they just dey talk this thing. Some they would they quarrel why a woman could get 3 children and divorce a husband. My sister, you can't say like that. Maybe the lady she's tired. It's better they separate than they buy their self. Yes, you know, see one way happen for you, London, America. That is, withdraw my word, America. When publish, I will link the video below. You can watch them. Husband buy a wife, he buy himself, join them. you know this my brother Paul, not by wife not by her. They go their separate way. At clicks, their children go they see them, papi, mommy. Their children go they see them. They call. I have a dad, I have a mom. Than for both of them to lose their life just because of quarrel or bitterness. They just go their separate way. Now because of my social media people, when they deliberate, social media in-logs. We have social media in-logs, all the best man. This one they wish are all the best man. You see, it's better. For me, it's better. I hope the our brother look well before he enter any relationship. I hope our sister too, if she would like to enter any relationship again, because she don't already have 3 children. I know this our brother, he can't stay alone. A man now, man must need woman when you go cook for her. Man must need somebody, and the same thing goes to woman. Her wife fit still make up one day, go say, this is my guy, this is my boyfriend, this is my love. Nobody know. This one say his brother Peter is worse and no one talk about it. Case he public showing off his wife. Now commenters, now say commenters, they too sabi, those our commenters, they too sabi. He say they too sabi. For me, I wish him good luck. I wish him good luck. I wish him good luck, because I don't have any other thing to say. As far they not by themselves, as far that they alive, for the children to see, for the children to embrace. My daddy, my mommy, and like him, I not be like our brother. You, though she when his wife they with her, and go carry another woman, call me the lady. But him now he already divorced. Now the ladies give her give her court letter. Then I believe a brother who tried to settle, then the thing not still work. Now who wear shoe, I know how the shoe take the pain her for leg. May we the social media sometimes, may we still the commot eye. Not blame man, not blame woman. For me, I not blame any of them. They are sweet to go. As far they say the marriage don't tire them. For them to take each other life, they just go their separate way. I love it. Not I am happy say they divorce. Not I'm happy say they go their separate way, because the children they suffer. As one of our commentators talk, say how a woman will get 3 children and she will divorce. Where she dey go? I say, wow, those now the olden days be that. Say, mama will say, I don't get 3 children, I don't get 4 children. As far you are not happy, and you are not, in fact, happy, mostly happy. Happiness is very important. No matter the money when you get for this world, without that happiness, you are zero. You understand? Maybe the guy can be happy, or maybe the woman they happy. Maybe we don't really know. But now the children I really feel for, because I can't imagine children when they see their father 24 hours, stay with them. That might say they go they go outside, they go show, go play. But at least if he still come back, you will see a children. But now it's not like that. Now the children are really pitiful, But for me, I wish both of them the best. As far as they don't kill themselves, they are living. Their children go see them at any time. Their children can call them, daddy, I need you, mommy, I need you, and they will respond. That is the best. I wish our brother Paul happy, if in a true happy marriage life, happy new relationship. I hope this one, as they take know each other with black hair, they will know, they will still there together with white hair. Woman no serve and divorce letter again, because it's not easy for man to in fact to just break out with a wife, or a wife just someone later divorce. It's not easy for man, it's not easy for woman. But I wish both of them the best. Yes, the best. I beg, what do you think about this? Is it wrong, say, as Paul go carry new woman? Now man, he need companion, he need it, For me, I not blame him. For me, I want you to drop your comment in the comment section. I'm sorry, na night it takes so after one. Now they film this video, so a Paul wrong for him to choose a wife, or he not wrong? For me, he not wrong. I can't wait to read your comment in the comment section. All this all the social media e-logs, I'm gonna drop in a comment in the comment section. Paul not wrong. Oh, man must need companion, woman must need companion. He's still young. How old is Paul? If he too much, 40 something, I'll be that something. Now he go just stay all the day of his life. No, it can't be. It can't be. For me, it can't be. And if you dey out there, please, guys, before you marry, look. I know human being can change, man can change, woman can change, but please try and look before you leap, okay? Because of your happiness, and for the children, for our children, Me, as they talk to myself, though I'd already carry, I'm okay with mine. But you, when you never marry, you, when you never get companion, please, before you are getting companion, look well, because of children, okay? Not just because of you, because of children. Children need father, children need mother beside them, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Please follow me on Facebook, Naija Daughter TV. Please subscribe to me if you never subscribed to me. Please subscribe and drop your comment in the comment section. I can't wait to listen to your comment, okay? Ciao, bye bye, au revoir. All my life I've been carried by last, now everybody go to breakfast.